Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Let's start the chapter. We were solving the numericals and we have solved from question number 1 to 5. Okay, so today we are starting from question number 6. Let's come to the question. A piece of brass of volume 30 centimeter cube has a mass of 252 gram. Find the density of brass in number 1 gram per centimeter cube, number 2 kg per meter cube. So, volume is given 30 centimeter cube and mass of brass is given 252 gram. So, how we will solve the question? Solution is given here. See, mass is given 252 gram, volume is given 30 centimeter cube. So density is equals to mass upon volume. Mass is 252 gram, volume is 30 centimeter cube. So when we cancel out, we divide it by 3 and here also 3. We get 84 upon 10, that is equals to 8.4 gram per centimeter cube. Now density in kg per meter cube. 1 gram per centimeter cube equals to 1000 kg per centimeter cube. Now listen, I have written kg per centimeter cube. This can be written as kg meter minus raised to power minus 3. Okay, this and this is same. So 8.4 multiplied by 1000 equals to 8400 kg per meter cube. Clear? Now move to question number 7. The mass of an iron ball is 312 gram. The mass is given 312 gram. The density of iron is given 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. So mass is given, density is given, and we have to calculate the volume of the iron ball. So how we will calculate the volume of iron ball? Come to question number 7. See, here it is given. Mass of iron ball is equals to 312 gram. Density is given 7.8 gram per centimeter cube, and we have to calculate the volume. See, what is the formula for density? Mass upon volume. And what is the formula for calculating volume? We just shift volume this side and density will move to denominator side. So volume equals to mass upon density. So see, 312 upon 7.8. From 7.8 we remove the decimal, we multiply it by 10 in the numerator side, and after solving the question we get the answer 40 centimeter cube. Okay, now move to question number 8. A cork has a volume 25 centimeter cube. So volume is given 25 centimeter cube. The density of cork is 0.25 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of the cork. Now we have to calculate the mass of the cork. So let's move to the solution. See, volume is 25 centimeter cube, density is given, mass we have to calculate, we put the values in the formula and we get the answer 6.25 grams. Okay, clear? Mass, density and volume, 3 units we have to identify. 2 units are given and we can calculate the 1 unit. Okay, now move to next question. Question number 9. Mass of 5 liter of water is 5 kg. Volume of water is given in liters. Mass of water is given in kg. And find the density of water in gram per centimeter cube. So how to find the density of water? Let's move to the solution of the question. See, mass is 5 kg. So we have to convert it into grams. That is 5 into 1000. Then it will become gram. Volume 5 liters is given. We have to convert it into centimeter cube. 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. It is given in your book. Okay, so 5 into 1000, 5000 centimeter cube. And density of water, mass upon volume. Mass is 5000 gram. Volume is 5000 centimeter cube. And we will get the answer 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now, move to question number 10. A cubical tank of side 1 meter is filled with 800 kg of a liquid. A cubical tank is there of side 1 meter. It means both the sides are equal. And if it is cubical tank, the length, breadth and height, all the three things are equal. And is filled with 800 kg of a liquid. It means mass of liquid filled is 800 kg. We have to find the volume of tank and we have to calculate the density of liquid in kg per meter cube. Okay, now come to the solution. See, volume of cubical tank, side cube, because as we can calculate the volume of a cube by side into side into side. That is equals to 1 meter per cube. 1 meter cube. 1 meter, side is 1 meter. Raised to power 3. That is 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. That is equals to 1 meter cube. Now density of liquid, mass upon volume. Mass is 800. 800 upon 1. That is equals to 800 kg per meter cube. Okay. So up to question number 10 we have completed the numericals, and from question number 11 we will start in next section. Okay, thank you.